is Nerfinator again. I'm bringing you another unboxing and review, and this was one that I've been really wanting to do, and I finally got the chance to do it. I had a little bit of extra cash laying around, and I decided I was going to finally make an order from Toys R Us. And in my last video you saw one of the things I got, which was the Alien Menace Foam Blade Dagger. If you guys want to see that video, I'm going to link to it at the end of this one, so that'll be in the end screen. But for now, let's get on to this review. So I bring you the Nerf Rival Phantom Core Kronos. And so if you guys aren't familiar with the Phantom Core line, it's basically the neutral segment, or neutral team between the red team and the blue team. If you're on the red team, you're good. If you're on the blue team, you're dead. I'm sorry. Anyways, so yeah, the Phantom Core line, in my opinion, has better paint jobs, and it looks awesome. But I can't wait to get this thing out of the box. Now, as you can see on here on the back of the box, we've got the Kronos here, and I believe it's the. See, where is it? There's the Hera, and I believe the Helios right there. Advertises it has 5 rounds. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Alright. Wow, that has a comfortable handle. Here's our instructions. We'll just get rid of those in the box. Alright. So let's talk about the blaster itself for right now. Okay, that's interesting. It has a prime lock. It won't prime. Why isn't that priming? There we go. I just wasn't pulling hard enough. This thing has a really stiff prime. I'm going to go ahead and load up one of these rounds. That's nice. Ooh. Okay, so this thing has a very satisfying pop when you pull the trigger. The trigger pull is very crisp. It's got a thumb lock, or trigger lock over here, and it's not ambidextrous, which is interesting because it's the safety has been ambidextrous on basically all the rival blasters up to the Phantom Core line, and even through some of the Phantom Core line, which is really interesting that it's not ambidextrous on the Kronos. This is the jam door right here, and it basically keeps the rounds from flying out if you were to remove the flappers right here, which, if you did, I don't know what you're doing. That is loud. It's got a very nice aggressive front end, and it honestly just feels like what a rival pistol should feel like. It's got a 5-round internal clip, and this is absolutely a beauty. Now, it does come with, all the Phantom Core line does come with these little flags that you're supposed to put on your blaster, so you could be either the red team or the dead team. Now, I'm going to go ahead and set aside the incorrect banner, and these are pretty decent quality. It says Nerf Rival there on the flag, but oh man. Okay, so these clips are, let's see, where are you supposed to, I guess you're supposed to put this on there, and then you've just got a flag flapping in the breeze. That's interesting. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I'm not a big fan of these flags already, just because this is going to be getting in the way of running around, and it's going to be flapping all over the place all the time, and it's just going to be in the way. Now, if you like these things, that's okay. It's a matter of personal preference, but in my opinion, this will just get in your way, and it kind of starts to get annoying because it's going to be sliding around and it's going to be jostling on the handle of your blaster. Not going to be a whole lot of help. It's probably, if you pick the wrong one, then it's probably going to start a rather awkward conversation as to red or blue. Red or dead. So I'm going to go ahead and take these rounds out of the package. And get out. Prime it. Man, that is a stiff prime. I'm going to go ahead and load it up. That is pretty sweet. It has a very stiff prime. And the jam door basically is, it's there for aesthetics, essentially. But other than that, it's great. And I'm close enough to the couch that the rounds just bounce right back. That is nice. That is very nice. And it's decently accurate too. That's what I like about some of these higher power rival blasters, is they tend to be a little bit more accurate, which is pretty nice. See, it's got a hop-up tab there in the barrel. You can see it there. And as far as the air restrictors go on these things, I'm not really sure how much they do to restrict the airflow. If you guys are interested in a mod guide for this, let me know in the comments down below. In order to modify this, I am going to need to get a hold of a link to K26, and that'll be a little bit pricey, at least for me. When you don't have any money, everything is pricey. But let's talk about the deco for a minute. And this is standard Hasbro. You have this really nice, beautiful rival logo and this really awesome Phantom Core logo right here. And then this side, come on, Hasbro. But I mean, seriously. Anyways, but as far as the rest of the deco goes, we do have it engraved. See if I can get it on camera here. Can't quite get it to show because I've got light spilling in from this window over here, and it's kind of just whiting out the Kronos. But we've got XV III 500 right here engraved into the blaster, and then we've got Nerf Rival engraved over here. And then we've got these really awesome vents and other details, these bolts. They're really sweet, and it's actually got a decently comfortable foregrip, even though you're not really going to be using the foregrip. You're mainly going to be single wielding this as a secondary. Or if you're going as a primary, then you're still going to be single wielding this. This is pretty sweet. There is a Deadpool repaint version of this, and it comes as a set, as two of them, and it comes in a special edition box and everything. And those are really sweet. However, they're really expensive, especially for somebody who doesn't have any money. They're about $60, give or take, depending on where you get them. The only place around here that I can get them is GameStop, and they're really expensive there. They're like $60, and so I don't feel like dropping that amount of cash to get a special version of this. So I got the Phantom Core version, which is still pretty awesome. I think I paid like $15 or $20 for this one, and that's about the going price, is about $15 to $20. Usually they're in the $20 range, 20 to 25. If you really look around, you can find one on sale for about $15. I don't know how often they go on sale. You'll have to do your own research on that. But I do know that that on sale it'll be about $15, and then normally they'll be about 20 to 25. I got this on ToysRUs.com for, I think it was like $20 on sale, but then usually they're like 25 there regularly, so I didn't feel too gypped. But as far as repainting these things, I don't really feel like you need to, because this already has a really awesome paint job. So I guess I got this cold. It's just the after effects are lingering forever. So kind of bear with me on that. It's got these really sweet vents right here. You can see that shows through to the muzzle bit down there. Hasbro honestly just did a really great job on this, on the Kronos. And personally, in my opinion, this is definitely a buy. If you don't have one of these, go ahead and pick one up. I know they're at Target. I know they're also at Toys R Us. I'm not sure where else you can get them. I know they're on Amazon. I'm not sure you can get them on eBay yet or not. I'm pretty sure you can't find them in thrift stores, because I don't know of anybody who would get rid of this. It's just too awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. This has been my review of the Nerf rival Phantom Core Kronos. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the comments below. I always love hearing what you guys have to say. And so this is Nerfinator, signing off.